part created, we're going to build stairs to get to the second floor. So you'll want to maneuver and orbit around so that you're kind of looking straight at that wall back there, and then you're going to zoom way in because we're going to make stairs. They're pretty small. So now think about where you would want your stair to be on the wall. You don't want your first step to be up here. Your first step is going to need to be down close to the floor and kind of out here. So get the rectangle tool, and you're going to create a small rectangle that will be 12 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so create a rectangle, lift off your mouse, and you're going to type 12 inches, comma, 2 inches. It'll look like that. This is what 12 by 2 looks like. Let's see. You're going to do, oops, I didn't get the right one. Use my draw tool. There we go. It's going to be 12 inches and then comma and then 2 inches. Okay, that's what you need to type after you create your first rectangle. Okay, now once that's created, we're going to make this stair a component. So get your select tool. Let's get rid of that. Get your select tool, and you'll have to zoom way in on this because you're going to need to hold down shift and select all 4 sides of this rectangle plus the inside. So all 4 edges plus the center. And when you get that all done like that, you're going to right click on it and choose Make Component. Right now, oh, and I'm going to name it Stair or Step, whatever you want. Just type the name Step and click Create. Okay, now the reason we make it a component is because now anything we do to that one thing right there, it's going to do that to all the rest of them that we create. So we're going to end up with 10 stairs, and we don't want to have to do everything 10 times. We only want to do it one time. Okay, now I'm going to just zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to get my push-pull tool, and I want to pull the stair out 4 feet. So make sure I've got the stair in there. Let's see. Oh, let's see. First of all, I need to go into component mode or edit component. So I'm going to right click on it and edit component. Now it looks green. It's a little different. This means I'm changing whatever I change here. I'm changing to every stair that I create with this. Alright, so with the push-pull tool, I'm going to pull it out, and I want it out 4 feet. So I'll type 4 and then the apostrophe, that's the 1 dash, and then enter. Alright, that pulled it out 4 feet. Now I'm going to get out of component mode, so I can just click out here and get out of it. So now it's just regular color. And now I want to be able to see, I want to be able to see where I'm at here. Shoot. Don't do what I just did. Okay, there I am. I went too far. Okay, so now I'm going to copy my stairs all the way up to the ceiling, and you have to be able to see the ceiling. Okay, so I'm going to select my stair, and it selects the whole thing because it's a component, and I'm going to get my move tool, and I'm wanting to make sure I'm capturing the spot that's attached to the wall back here, the purple dot. If I try to move it from here, I'll probably end up with stairs sticking through the wall on the other side. Looks like a tornado hit. So I'm going to hold down Control, and I'm going to drag this to the top up here. This is why it's important to be able to see. And it's going to say on, oh shoot. It's going to say on face, which means I'm on the wall, not through the wall. and then I'll let go, and then I'm going to type a 9 and then a backward slash, and which you can see down in the dimension bar, and then hit enter, and that put all of my stairs in. Okay, didn't get it quite as far. I'd like for it to have gone further back here, but that's okay. All right. Okay, so now this is what it looks like once I've gotten all the stairs put in there. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to add a railing to all of them. So again, we're going to zoom way in on our very first stair, and we're going to need to be in component mode to make this work and do it to all of them at once. So we will get the select tool, select this stair, right click and say edit component, and then I'm going to get the pencil tool and I'm going to draw a line straight up from here. Now notice mine is green because that's on the axis I'm on. I want this to be 3 feet tall, so I'm going to let go and I'm going to type 3 feet, or 3 and the apostrophe, and hit enter. Okay, notice it's done it to every stair in my house here. Okay, and this is still attached there, so I'm going to stretch up here and attach it to the second rail, and notice it did it to all of them now. I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard to get out of it, and well, shoot, I just keep doing that. Okay, so now you see that there. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is, this is just kind of a stick, so I want to put a nice railing on it. So, zoom way in, we're still in component mode, zoom way in, we're going to get the circle tool, and I want my circle to start, I want it to be perfectly around this post. So not over here, that little green dot should be right there. I'm going to click and draw just a little circle. You don't want it bigger than the step, okay, it can't hang over. So something like that. Right? Then we're going to get a new tool, which is called the Follow Me tool. You'll have to go in here to get to Follow Me. So go to Tools and choose Follow Me. Go down here and get the little circle, and we're going to drag it up and over, and by the time I get to the second post, I can let go, and it goes all the way up. Okay. Now I'm finished with the stairs. So to get out of component mode, you just click out here. Sorry, get select and click out here. Okay, now the stairs are all finished. Problem is they run into the ceiling, right? So we're going to go upstairs and cut a hole out here. So using the rectangle tool, draw a little rectangle on the floor. Don't go way out here because your handrail ends right there. So that's about, and that means that's where your stairs end. So you want it to end where the stairs end. You don't want that last step to be huge. And then once you've done that, you can get the select tool, right click on it, and erase. And now you can get upstairs. Okay, now you're going to continue to work on your house, adding various things to it. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Shoot, I just added that back in. Okay, one thing you're going to do is add the diving board. So this is the easiest way to make a diving board. Just draw you a little square on the edge there, and then pull it up just a little bit, and then I hold down Control and pull it up just a little more. Then you can pull that little thing out there. So now you got a diving board. Everybody needs a diving board because probably your bedroom will be up here and you can jump off the diving board in the morning into the pool. Okay, so now you're going to continue working on it. You're going to finish off your apartment here, you'll need to completely furnish it upstairs and downstairs. You'll need some kind of railing right here. You can do glass railing or wood railing or whatever you'd like to do because you don't want people falling off. Now remember there's a wall right here. Um, so you don't need to put anything on this side, but you do need something here to keep your cat or dog from falling off. And whatever you'd like to do to it. Have fun.